Introducing the Meat It Thermometer, a wireless meat thermometer that allows you to monitor meat, poultry, or fish dishes from a distance through a Bluetooth connection. The Meat It tracks the internal and external temperature, automatically adjusting the cooking speed so you know when your dish will be done. The app will let you know if your meat is overcooking, burning, or your dish is done, which means perfect results every time, regardless of your level of skill or what you are cooking. Food should bring people together, and with the Meat It Thermometer, you will never have to choose between your guests and cooking success again. The patented Meat It Thermometer.
Ever wanted to make healthy, great-tasting soup without the mess of pots and pans? Well, now you can with the new Salter Digital Soup Maker. Eating healthy is now as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply add your ingredients, select your desired consistency, and in just over 20 minutes, you're ready to serve healthy, delicious soup. That's right. Just add your ingredients, press and forget. And it's so easy to clean. The soup maker can be used as a blender. Perfect for creating nutritious smoothies. Purees, dips and dressings can also be made at the touch of a button. Healthy recipes included. Make fresh, healthy soups and smoothies the easy way with the Salter Digital Soup Maker.
Introducing the new 12-gallon stainless steel step-on from Rubbermaid, featuring a step-on pedal for easy access when your hands are full, a lock to hold the lid open, perfect for longer chores and tasks, a quiet close lid that lowers slowly to reduce noise. Fingerprint-resistant coating prevents dirt and smudges, keeping your container looking its best. A charcoal stainless steel finish designed to create a warm and modern aesthetic for your home. The 12-gallon stainless steel step-on from Rubbermaid.